Hey guys, let me show you how a memory seat work in a Mercedes. So it has three configurations which you can save. So it will basically save how you adjust your side view mirror, your steering like the telescopic and up and down and all that, and also the seats. So how to save a configuration? Obviously, before saving you need to configure it according to your choice, like the height of the seat, up, down, how far forward or backward you need it, the backrest configuration, let's say like this, and the headrest, down or up. So once you are done adjusting the seat, also you can configure your mirrors. So let's say the right mirror, and I adjust it a little outwards and up, and the steering controls. So let's say move it little upwards. Okay, so let's say this is the perfect configuration which I want. So I have configured the mirrors, the steering and the seat. So now what you do is you press this M button, and then you press the configuration where you want to save. So let's say 2. So I don't know if I was speaking, you couldn't hear the beep. So what will happen is once you press the M and the 2, you will hear a beep. That means your configuration is saved. Let me do this again and you can listen for the beep. I hope you heard it. There's the beep. That means your configuration is saved. So now let's say your friend borrowed your car and he changed the configuration. So all you have to do is press and hold the button where you saved your configuration. So let's say 2, and you see the seat is moving, the steering is moving, side view mirror is moving. So everything goes back into place, and this is how memory seats work. So hope this helps. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.